Today's airgunning video is brought to you from the studio of Papa T Adventures. We hope you enjoy. Good morning, family. Just sitting out here with the 4th. Wanted to let you know about what we're about to watch. So, Scott over at Alaskan Airgunner recently put up some videos of doing Airgun edition of Mad Minute Challenge. So if you're not familiar, because I wasn't, the Mad Minute Challenge was part of the training for riflemen in England pre-World War I. It was one of the exercises for getting second-class shooter, and specifically it was a 300-yard shooting at a target, 48-inch total size target they had to hit with a bullseye silhouette, and that was about 12 inches. Sounds easy till you remember that this was 300 yards. I don't think that they had scopes. I could be wrong, but prone position with Lee Enfield rifles, and they would 1 in the chamber, 4 in the magazine, and then they had to load additional. That's what I learned. So anyway, Alaskan Airgunner made his own version. 50 feet, 10 cans, 1 minute to take them out. I thought that was a pretty good idea, so I said I'll try that out. So I went over to my brother's and we did some shooting, and then at the end of our day of shooting, we said let's try the Mad Minute. We got the cans set up, and I had my Diamondback break barrel, and he had his Gammo Maxim. Now, to be honest, the problems that you may or may not see are not the fault of the guns but the shooters. But we tried the Mad Minute Challenge twice each, and you're about to see that. For me, it was a nice humbling experience. We also didn't do it at 50 feet because, well, our bench was at 26 yards, so that's where we were sitting at. 26 yards, and instead of 12-ounce cans, they were the smaller 10-ounce, 10.75 ounce, I think is what they are. So slightly smaller cans from a longer distance, and we tried. We didn't succeed, but it was a lot of fun. And now I got a goal. I got to catch up to Scott, because he did his. Maybe I'll try again at 50 feet and be more successful. So with that, enjoy. I will label each video so you know which gun is shooting. But again, and back and forth between me on the Diamondback and my brother on his Gammo Swarm Maxim. He had a little advantage, I'd like to say, because he had a magazine. My Diamondback is pre-Magfire edition, so no magazine. As you guys probably saw in the First Shots, First Thoughts video I did. Anyway, thanks for stopping by, family. Hope you enjoy watching us attempt our Mad Minute, and it is going to be from effectively the perspective of the rifle barrel, because I put it right in front of the gun for the shooting. So enjoy, and I'll catch you next time. Alright, Mad Minute Challenge from about 25-26 yards. Also smaller cans. Set. Okay. Not a great start. I don't think this is helping with loading. Nice. Not a single one. That was terrible.
Well, to be fair, you hit him.
Did I?
They fall over again. I saw some of them shake.
Right. 3, 2, 1, begin. Just off to the left. Not too bad. You're hitting one. You still got 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beep.
I guess I could have probably got another shot out of that one. You want to try that?
Alright. Here's attempt number 2. Mad Minute Challenge with Crossman Diamondback from about 26 yards with, what are they, 8-ounce cans?
Yeah.
Alright, 1 minute, 10 cans.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, that's a much better start than last time. I heard it hit a can. Well, it's better than the last attempt. I think there were a couple hit and didn't tip again. You ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, begin. Turn the right to left. Nice. 2 on that can. That one said, okay, I'll jump. That one. Seconds.
That's a real challenge from 26 yards. Especially with 8 ounce instead of 12 ounce cans. We made this challenge harder on ourselves in every way. You also hit that third can at least 3 times, I'm pretty sure.